Welcome. In this video I will show you how to uninstall an application on your Panasonic W70 TV. So to uninstall any app, you can go to the Apps tab in your on your home screen, then find the application that you want to uninstall, hold your middle D-pad or OK button on it for a couple of seconds, and after you see this screen, select View Details, then select Uninstall, OK, and this way you will uninstall any app that you downloaded using Google Play Store or built-in App Store. But if you want to uninstall an application that you side-loaded, you're gonna have to go to All Settings, and in All Settings navigate to the Apps section, then navigate down to select See All Apps, and in this menu you will find all the applications that you ever downloaded on your TV. And if you want to uninstall one of it, just select it from the list and then select, oh, I accidentally opened this app, and then select Uninstall and OK, and then the application will be uninstalled from your TV. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.